BMW officially announced its first two-wheeled M model with the new M1000RR. Based on the S1000RR, no slouch on its own, the M1000RR offers a higher level of performance, adding aerodynamic wings and increasing power output to a claimed 212 horsepower while reducing claimed curb weight to 423 pounds. The styling follows the S1000RR but with the addition of wings made of clear-coated carbon fiber. Winglets help generate more downforce, counter wheelies while helping traction control and moving power to work more efficiently. BMW hired WSBK riders Tom Sykes and Eugene Laverty and world endurance driver Marcus Rieterberger to test new aerodynamics on the track. Driving the M1000RR, Rieterberger was only 2.101 seconds behind Sykes and 1.590 seconds behind Laverty on a WSBK racing bike. Like the S1000RR, the BMW M1000RR is powered by a 999cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine with ShiftCam technology that offers variable valve timing and lift. For the M model, BMW added a new two-ring forged piston from Mahle reinforced with two additional bars in the box. The new pistons are also 0.4 ounce lighter each than the S1000RR pistons. BMW has also replaced the S1000RR tempered steel connecting rods with a titanium iron rod that is longer and lighter than the Pankl. This allows BMW to increase the compression ratio to 13.5. 1 from 13.3. While increasing the maximum engine speed to 15,100 revolutions per minute from 14,600 revolutions per minute. The ShiftCam system is similar to the S1000RR application, but the M1000RR uses a new exhaust valve spring assembly and a slimmer, lighter swing arm. The M1000RR also uses a variable input funnel with a servo motor which adjusts the length of the funnel to optimize performance, especially at high engine speeds. The result, according to BMW, is a maximum output of 212 horsepower at 14,500 revolutions per minute. Peak torque remains claimed at 83.3 pound-feet, but reaches 11,000 revolutions per minute, 500 revolutions per minute slower than the S1000RR. BMW claims a noticeable increase in torque from 6,100 revolutions per minute to 9,500 revolutions per minute. To improve acceleration in all gears, BMW added one tooth to the chain sprocket, increasing it to 46. BMW has also designed a new titanium exhaust system for the M1000RR which uses two three-way catalytic converters. BMW claims the exhaust system weighs 17.2 pounds, compared to the 25.2-pound S1000RR system. The M1000RR uses a modified anti-hopping clutch for improved launch control. The new clutch lacks automatic boost, so BMW has increased the preload force on the clutch, perhaps with a stiffer clutch spring, to compensate for that, resulting in a slightly harder lever pull. The M1000RR offers 4 standard modes: rain, road, dynamic and race, plus 3 configurable race pro modes. This mode coordinates throttle response, ABS, traction control, engine braking level and wheelie control system. Other electronic features include a pit lane divider, Hill Start Control Pro and BMW Shift Assistant Pro which allows clutch-free up and down shifting. The M1000RR can also be changed from a conventional gear shift pattern to a reverse first gear pattern for racing use. BMW made a few changes to the chassis to optimize track performance. The steering head angle is slightly flatter than that of the S1000RR, and the fork bridge offset is reduced by a few millimeters.